예준아, 에어플레인!
Today we are at the Plane History Museum. Me and my little brother loves planes. Whoa, awesome! Most planes have different types of models. Okay, ready to take off.
Go, 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 go!
9,700 feet. Altimeter Q9.2.
Wow!
Come on!
Whoa!
We are going somewhere to find another plane. Whoa, look at that plane! Please come here! My brother likes it so much.
와, 예준아, 바퀴 봐봐. 오.
Wow, the wheels are so huge.
예준아, 너 거기서 통닭돼.
I love this model so much. Is Blue Angel called blue because it is blue? Let's ride the Blue Angel and take off. This is the blue body, black body, and a red body.
Oh, wow!
Take off! Engine power up.
Miami approach altimeter.
Wow! Whoa, look at that jet flying. It's so cool.
Cool!
Miami approach on 125.5. Midday.
Whoa, awesome!
125.5.
Wow, there's a Korean jet. It is so amazing to see a jet in front of me.
Hooray!
예준아, 이거 뭐야?
My little brother might be the first time to see ever a jet.
Oh, yeah.
This is my dad's favorite jet. Wow, looks very nice. I wonder what the pilot cockpit looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Take off! Wow! I feel like a pilot. Lastly, we came back home.
Come on!
Yay! I got a toy! Yeah! Wow, this is a cool jet! Now, let's open it!
Okay, let's go!
I'm looking at the instruction manual. To my coordination, I think I can do it. Okay, let's start the assembly. Yay!
Come on!
Okay.
우와, 비행기네.
Come on!
아, 나 만들었다. 우와. 색칠이 안 돼 있네.
Oh, no!
아빠, 도와줘, 아빠.
Help me! Help!
어? 와, 다 만들었구나. 와,
Cool!
와, 예준아, 잘 만들었다. 와.
아빠, 이렇게 색칠해줘, 이렇게.
아, 알았어. 아빠가 해줄게.
Okay.
야, 색칠을 한번 해볼까?
Okay, let's go!
Come on!
와, 굿.
Good idea.
Booyah!
자, 시작해볼까?
Woohoo! Ah! Oh yeah! Come on! Cool! 아!
아빠, 다 됐어?
예준아, 다 됐어.
우와, 멋지다.
Hooray!
우와, 신기하다.
Come on!
Okay.
와, 다 했다.
Woohoo! Ah, hey!
우와.